Mesdames, yo eme sa Rubaz. Yo eme lo ap pose yo bel ti kesyon pou fè ou pali pou ou pa senti yo raz le ap pala avò. Sa le dapil Rubaz. Pou fè yon semen ap ekra ou fòm epi senti raz le ap ekra avò. Ben mpot solusyon pou ou Loverboy. Mpote 5 bel kesyon pou pose ou fi wap pose. Wap evite fè senti raz le ap ekra avò. Avan m kontinye, like video a kounya. Map Tony. Epi sou fèk tobe sou video sa. Bienveni nan kominote Loverboy la. Chen sa dedye selman ak video ki gen rapor ak seduksyon, relasyon fòm ak gason. Sou interese ak video sa yo, abone pou pa rate anye sou nouvo video mbal pote yo.
I think that I am moving on cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing. Oh, oh. I'm finally healing from you. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hardy. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way under this maze that I'm running through. Now when I think of you, I'm fine. See a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think